alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you. Honorable President of today's program, respected judges, principals, sir, teacher, parents, and dear all. Today I would like to speak some words on a very important topic. I am Siddiq Ahmed. I study in class 4. Mohamad the man and his message, peace be upon him, we often hear this name on the headlines of our media platform and on social media. Dear audience, who is Muhammad? Peace and blessing be upon him. We often hear this name on the headlines of our media platform and on social media. Sometimes parents and sometimes question, and the majority of people are confused about him. What is he teaching? Did he teach peace or is teaching those who violence and hatred? Did he use the sword to spread his message? Thousands of questions are raised in our mind, creating a sense of times. But in order to live in communal harmony, it is important for us to exchange the true knowledge, eradicating hatred from our society. Let us learn Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, was a leader of a group of people destined to change the world in the most positive form. A man even his enemies could not deny was the most truthful and the most trustworthy. A man who would never return a beggar empty-handed when he had nothing. A man gave women the respect deserved in an era when the entire human race treated them as mere objects. A man who treated his wives with such respect and honor that none ever and no one ever can. A man who showed mankind to bow down in front of the one and only one Lord, saving them from the slavery of thousands. A man with the best of morals and character. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو اللَّهَ وَالْيَوْمَ الْآخِرَ وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا. My dear friends, we have a large list of famous people in history. They have said about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the contemporary historian and mathematician. Here I wind up my speech, thanking you all people great for paying heed to my words.